morning, class 1. I hope you all are fine. But today we will do our chapter 5 using keyboard and mouse. Now, beta, in last class we have done about keyboard. Now, today we will do different keys of keyboard. Now, first of all, let us revise that what is keyboard. Keyboard is a flat rectangular and a plastic board with many buttons, and these buttons are called keys, and we have 104 keys on a keyboard. Alright, now we will do one by one different keys of a keyboard. Now first one is alphabet keys. Now alphabet keys are marked with the English alphabet from A to Z. These are arranged in jumbled order. If you want to get anything on the screen, so you have to press alphabet keys. Alright, you have to press that particular alphabet key so that you can see the type, sentence, word or letter on the monitor. With the help of the key we can type the letters, alphabet or words and sentences. If you want to type your name, for that we use alphabet keys. Alright, these are alphabet keys of a keyboard. Now next one is number keys. But number keys are used for typing numbers. They are marked with 0 to 9. Alright, now if you want to type anything in numbers, so we use number keys. So when you will press number keys, so that number will appear on the screen. Right, now these are number keys. Now next one comes beta special keys. These keys are used for different purposes, so we use special keys for different purposes. Now commonly used special keys are caps lock key, space bar key, enter key, backspace key, delete key and arrow keys. Now one by one we will discuss about these keys. Now see that number 1 is caps lock key. This is a caps lock key. This key is used to type letters in capital letters. If you want to type anything in capitals, so for that we use capital letter. If you press caps lock key, the light will glow on the right side of the keyboard. So from after that you can type the letters or words or any sentence in capital letter. Alright, now next one special key is space bar key. Now this key is the longest key on the keyboard. It is used to give space between words, characters and sentences. If you want to give any space between words, between sentence, now for that you can use space bar key. Alright, now next one is enter key. Enter key is used to bring the cursor to the beginning of the next line. Now if you want to move to next line, so for that we use enter key. Now enter key is used to move the cursor to the beginning of the next line. Alright, now next one is backspace key. Now beta backspace key is used to erase the characters typed on the left side of the cursor. So if you want to erase any character from the left side, so for left side of cursor, so for that we use backspace key. Now next one is delete key. Now delete key is used to erase the characters to the right side of the cursor. If you want to erase the characters from the right side, so for that we use delete key. Alright, now next one is arrow keys. Arrow keys are used to move the cursor on the screen. There are 4 arrow keys: left arrow key, right arrow key, up arrow key and down arrow key. If you want to move the cursor up, press up arrow key. If you want to move the cursor down, so press down arrow key. If you want to move your cursor left, press left arrow key. If you want to move your cursor right, so press right arrow key. These arrow keys are used to move the cursor. So what we have done, keyboard. What is keyboard? Alphabet keys, number keys, and special keys. And in special keys we have done caps lock key, spacebar key, enter key, backspace key, delete key, arrow keys. Now all of you revise all these keys and practice it on your monitor, on your keyboard. Alright, and your homework is all of you read page number 32, 33. Okay, and draw these keys in your copy. Thank you.